Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Nick and today I want to review the Lemon8 app. So let's get started by installing this application. You can install it from App Store because this app is at the top of the charts in the App Store. And of course you can install it from Play Store as me. So enter Lemon8. Okay, and here it is. So Lemon8 is the destination for sharing and exploring. On Lemon8 you can find photo and video content, and the app is similar to Pinterest, but it's interesting in its own way. So let's download it, tap on install, and here how the app looks like. And it looks aesthetically pleasing. So let's read more information about the app. And here the description is. So find your community, creative ease, explore and discover, contact us, and so on. And I especially recommended using this app for content creators because the platform is new and it's very easy to gain an audience. So let's open it up, enter your date of birth. You can skip this or you can select, and on this page select your interests. And finally, you can create an account or login if you already have an account. So let's continue with Google, select your account. So here enter your name and set a profile picture. Okay, tap on next. Finally, we can use this application. You already can see many cool photos and videos. Well, at the top you can navigate between tabs for you or following, and there are also tabs by interests. For example, food, beauty, fashion, home, tech, relationship, and so on. And at the bottom you can see the simple navigation menu. We are at the home page, but of course we can go to the search page or to notifications, my profile. So to create a post, just tap on the plus icon at the bottom in the middle, allow, and here choose photo or video. So at the bottom you can apply any of these templates, and after that tap on the checkmark icon at the bottom right corner. Here of course you can add filters, you can add stickers if you want, and after editing click on next. So here you can add another photo or video by clicking on the plus icon at the top. So in the description you can write something and add text. And also you can add your location if you want. And after that, tap on post. And that's how you can post on Lemon8. So my post is ready. So this is such a small review. I really hope you can realize yourself on this platform. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, put a like under this video, and good luck.